All right, thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your Midwest forecast. We have some flooding rains that occurred over the weekend. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the severe weather threats ahead with more heavy rainfall potential, and it will be turning hotter as we approach the 4th of July. That heat was with us late last week, kind of shifted to the east and southeast, and again now starting to bubble back up just in time for the 4th. Here's a shot from New Ulm, Minnesota from MnDOT, and this was a mudslide thanks to some very heavy rain yesterday, about an inch and a half in Sioux Falls, 1.16 in the Twin Cities. St. Cloud actually a record in terms of daily rainfall, 1.63 in Duluth. So very wet conditions yesterday, but not quite as much as you headed farther south. Looking at our additional precipitation over the next few days, a little bit heavier over parts of the Midwest and the Red River Valley, and that could also come with some severe weather. A couple of slight risk areas, Minnesota, the Dakotas, down into Nebraska and Kansas, back into the Dakotas heading into our Tuesday, and then Wednesday shifting a little farther east. This is 4th of July Wednesday now, so Minneapolis up to Duluth, central northern Wisconsin, even the far western tip of the UP Michigan, so we'll be watching for that. But all of this shower and thunderstorm activity develop on the outer periphery of the heat and humidity that is still set up over the central U.S. But again, rounds of showers and storms could be strong and severe here. High temperatures on this Monday will be into the 80s and 90s, a little bit hotter the farther south you get. But here comes the heat just in time for the 4th, looking at highs to be a little bit hotter on Tuesday and Wednesday.